So I have an unboxing for you, and it's from my Ford dealer. Take a look at the shipping label. It says from John Thompson, Ford Accessory Distributor West. So there is a middleman in between Ford and the dealer that makes money. No wonder these cost about 200 bucks with tax. So I bought it from Theodore Robbins Ford, about 3 miles away from my house here in Huntington Beach. Great dealer. I highly recommend Dean Hammond over there. He's the fleet manager who orders all the special orders Mavericks for people. Anyway, so there's actually another benefit of having a switchblade key. Gotta have something to open this thing, right? Works perfectly. Love it. So pop it open. Oh yeah. Here they are, my all-weather Maverick branded mats for my hybrid version. Okay, there's the back. That goes in the back seat, which does not have any name on it. More back seat, including that little flap that goes over the hump. Oh, look at that. Love it. Yeah, I want to have this in my Maverick instead of WeatherTech or somebody else's name. Looks awesome. So if you order floor mats from your dealer, there's a specific version just for the hybrid. I have another video where I put a set of these in my turbo version, and these new floor mats are going in my hybrid Maverick. Apparently the rear seat height of the floor is different in the hybrid. So let's check it out. Put it in. There they are, side by side. Okay, well, let's put in. There's the driver's side because it has a footrest for the left foot. Of course, no tools required. Just got to push it into place. There we go. 1 and 2. All ready to go. Oh, one more thing important about the driver's side. In order to lock it into place, you have to remove the carpet that normally locks into that tab. That way both of these can stay secure. And now the passenger seat. Little wrinkle there. Let's see if I can get rid of that. There we go. But what's strange is even though the passenger side has a single tab, there is a hole in the bottom of the mat where that fits into. It doesn't lock like the driver's side. But no need, it's not going anywhere. Okay, in the back seat, It's a little harder to do with one hand because it's a little tighter to get it in. But I will. There we go. Boy, that fits nice. All the way around. All right, last one. Oh, and I did vacuum, because once these are down, I don't think anything's going to get underneath them. So you want to keep it, whatever is in there, out. Nice and fresh and clean. And one-handed, once again. Looks amazing. I just put my foot in here one time and look what happened. That's proof that you need to protect the inside of your Maverick with these things. Otherwise it's going to get all in the carpet and it's going to be really hard to get out later, especially if you're in mud, snow, rain, whatever conditions come up. You don't want it to get wet. So with this big high side right here, water is going to have a tough time getting anywhere but in this floor mat. All right, there you go. The reason to get floor mats is right in front of you. Thanks for watching.